My name is Andres Pinilla. I am from Bogota, Colombia. I work as a researcher and lecturer in interaction design.
I'm Larissa Menescal. I am from Fortaleza, the fourth biggest city in Brazil. And I am urban planner.
My name is Şeyda Serdar Hasan and I'm from Turkey. I'm an associate professor of industrial engineering at Istanbul Technical University.
I'm Kwon from Korea. I'm working as a research fellow in a fabric policy institute in Korea.
The topic of the seminar was very important for me. It's the topic I'm working on, net zero cities, and it was a good opportunity to meet new people.
To keep learning, and as TU Berlin is giving me this opportunity to keep connected with different cultures and different subjects to be able to support more my city, I'm here learning again.
Because I am particularly interested in understanding how to use interaction design to solve social problems like climate change. Technologies are not enough for solving some problems that we have today.
I am so impressed how simple it is to develop interesting gadgets to be able to analyze the environment.
They give us the opportunity to keep the connection further with people around the world.
It's building new collaborations.
To me, TU Berlin stands for innovation with a social purpose.
Solidarity.
For precision.
Connecting.